guys, today we're making slime. With only borax, glue, water, and spoon. Let's get started. Can't open this. Got it. Silly you. Not the other way, like this. I think I'm gonna see. So in this video, our borax is basically going to be our activator. Yep. Katie, open. I can't. Here, I'll show you. Okay, I can't do it. Let me set that to the side. Like this. Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much. Wow. Wow, did you see that bubble? Wow, I'm making bubbles. We're using washable school glue. Yeah, so it'll come off when it sticks to stuff, like my hand. Yeah. Oh, come on, get out. Is there anything else in there? No. I don't think so. There you go. Hold on. Okay, let's set it off to the side. Next, I think we need some borax. Yeah, we do. I'll pour some in. I'll pour some in yours too because it's hard to pour it in. It's borax. Oh, that's enough. Yep. That's enough. Now let's mix it. No, let's just pour a little bit of water in. I think that's a little too much. Yep. That's enough. I don't want it to overflow. Let's mix it. Wow, mine's already turning into slime, guys. Mine too. Guys, look at this. It's already turning into slime. I know. I didn't even have to mix it. I know. That's a little too much water, though.
Do you know what you do when that happens?
What?
Add borax.
Borax, good. Thanks, Mom. This will be fluffy slime in our next video because we'll put in shaving cream. Yeah. Borax. I'm gonna have a lot of slime. Yeah. This is the best thing ever.
Katie needs more borax too.
I do. She does? Okay, I'll give her some. I think that's a little too much borax now. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to. I think I can work this with my hands now. Nope, I can't. Me either. Now I can do it with my hands. Wow, this is turning into cool slime. Wish it was glow in the dark. I know. But it's really cool. And it's so sticky. Hey, Jinx. There's no wood near us right now, except for the wall. Okay. So
Are you going to work it with your hands now, Katie?
I'm just going to keep on mixing. I think it's not slimy enough. Mine's not. Mine's not slimy enough. It's basically not slime. Yeah, mine is totally epic slime. No, mine's not. Mine's not. I think I need a little more Elmer's glue. I'm going to use the rest of my sister's. Okay. Mine's turning into slime. I used one. Come on, glue. No, you didn't. I know. Okay, now I'm going to start working with my hands. Now I'm going to try to work with my hands. Okay. I said try. I might not get this too good. Wow, this slime sucks now. This is so cool. I need more borax, but I don't need more borax. Are you ready to dump it? No, I'm not. I'm ready to take some of this. Are you ready to dump it? I'm not dumping mine yet. I need it to get stickier. Why isn't it getting stickier, Mom?
Because you put too much borax and too much water.
Yeah, that's...
Next time it might come out a little better now that we know. But hey, it's still fun to play with, right?
Yeah. It's a little hard, but yeah. I mean, I can put lotion in it. That'll make it work. Wow, this is really cool. I think I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Guys, I'm gonna go get the lotion so I can work my slime. Yeah, this is really, really sticky, but it's awesome. And it's really cool. I love this slime. This is the best slime I ever made. You've never made slime before. This is your first time. Hey, Chloe.
That's why it's the best.
Chloe, I think I need some lotion. You do? Yeah, I need some lotion too. No, your slime's good. No, I need some lotion. There's our lotion. Now I'm gonna mix this up with my slime. This is really fun. I can't believe we made it. Yeah, it's so cool. Next time I'm adding like a little bit of borax. Your slime's way better than mine. Hey. And I'm the expert. I'm the scientist. How is it way better than mine? I cannot do slime bubbles with this, but I bet she can. No, she can't. It's too rough too. Mine's really glossy though. Mine's really cool-ish. Like it's. I think I can work it on the table now. Look at all this borax. I think so too. Look at this line. It's so. It's not stretchy, but look at this line. Guys, it's basically not stretchy. I know. Okay, the first time we failed, I knew we would fail, right, Mom? But we failed. But if you like this video, give it a subscribe and do a big thumbs up if you like it. Guys, this is seriously bad slime. I still have to work it. I know. I need to work this out. You don't need to work yours. Yours is like, it's starting to get stretchy. I love your slime. I know. I'm just going to put some on my hand. This is so cool. So guys, if you have messed up slime, just use some lotion and it'll kind of fix it. Yeah. But don't worry, we have white slime. I wish we could add color to this. But mine's not too sticky, which it's a total fail because I thought I was the expert. Stop making it bad. It's because yours. Next time I'm asking Emma how to make slime. I bet she uses her shampoo to make slime. Oh, Emma, if you're watching this video with Chloe and Katie, but yeah, we have to ask Emma how to make this. Yeah, but it is so fun doing this. Like it's all sticky and stuff, but it's really fun to play with. Yeah, next time we're definitely asking Emma.
All right, tell YouTube goodbye.
Bye, guys.